OMG, what is up everybody? It is another day of Vlogmas. I know I'm looking rough, but it is okay because we're gonna get ourselves together for this little photo shoot I'm about to do. I really wanted to do like a little engagement photo shoot for like Christmas and stuff, to send our family members, send out cards, send some to the Patreon, stuff like that. And yeah, I just wanted a nice little winter vibe. So I have a backdrop coming in the mail by tonight. It should be here. And I got this wig. Y'all get into this wig. Get into this wig. She is blonde. She is blonde. Like, it's giving highlights. Don't get me wrong, there are browns in here, but for the most part, she is blonde. I'm so excited. She is synthetic. I know she looks really good, but she's synthetic, but she does have body on her. The hairline, I still gotta pluck a little bit, so y'all probably see me do that a little later. But yeah, this is what the hairline is giving as for right now. I plucked a little bit. Here, I'll show you. But the tracks are like right here. Hold on. This wig is literally just for this photo shoot, and then I'm gonna film a book review with it because the memoir I read, the celebrity has similar hair. But look, you can see now that I've done that, the hairline is not horrible. I did pluck it a little bit earlier, but you cannot go that far back because the track will show, girl. It will. And then I dug this out of retirement, this avocado mousse, if she wants to focus today, because this hair, I know it looks cute now, but girl, hold on. She had like static all over her, girl. Like, what? It was a lot. You can kind of see it on the sides right here still. You can kind of still see it on the sides. And I flat ironed her and the static still wouldn't go away. I used a what's it called, a dryer sheet. It still didn't go away. So then I just was like, okay, well, I need to put some weight on the flyaways, and that actually worked. So, but yeah, this is a wig that I'm gonna be wearing, and then I'm gonna be wearing all black and the gold Christmas hat that you guys saw me wearing earlier. So I'm pretty excited to get started on this. I'm just like in love. I cannot believe this is a synthetic wig. Like, it is a little shiny, don't get me wrong, but the color is crazy. Like, this colorway is crazy. I like to call this black girl blonde, where it just has a whole bunch of different hues and stuff to complement brown skin tones. Because you know, sometimes some blondes be too platinum. Like, this is giving. What the fuck? Yeah, no sponsor. I bought it with my own money and everything. Like, so just let me know if you guys are interested. I'll put it on my storefront, but I'm just giving you all the warnings. There's not a lot of parting space. I would not use this as no wig, like an everyday wear ass wig. So full disclosure, wear at your own risk. I'm going to go and braid my hair down somehow, child, and I'm gonna be back and we're gonna apply this wig. I'm so excited.
We do this in our sleep. Yes, sir.
Yeah. You ever been in love before? I wanna holler at you, man. You know, it's hard for a player to admit that sometimes, but I'ma spit that sometimes. You know what I'm saying? Hey, P, give it to me one time, nephew.
There's something about this girl, man, from around my way. Ever try to hold back your feelings, but it just wouldn't say. But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away. Simply run away. You try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. You can't lie to yourself, it really isn't. I'm sure it hurts when it comes to your attention, 'cause you're in love with the girl.
Hey, yes, sir. That's her, but it wasn't like that back when I met her. The lavish life from all the overdose fun. Before the double R had to hitchhike thumb. Her friends didn't like dudes like us, but I arrested the coochie and the feelings got cuffed. Spiderweb sex must have got caught up, but there's more to it. I remember once saying let's on the peons. Let's go to Vegas and watch Celine Dion. Make them say what we on. You say no like you was doing it for eons. Bump it, I just hum and let the watch give off the neons. When it rains, it pours. I laugh to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. And something about how your ex was a toy. I guess he played games. There's only diamond dice here, not trying to justify. But when you shut your eye, you can touch the sky. You in trouble, ma, and you should pray about speed. But if it's about you, what they say about me? What you say?
But when I finally found the words to say, I wanted to run away.
Run away.
Simply run away.
Check it out.
You can try to run and hide, it won't make a difference. You can lie to yourself, it really isn't. It really hurts when it comes to your petition. But you're in love with the girl.
See, I'm a crip in dark blue chucks, and I does what I does. Yeah, I might say good. It's really weird, cause I got love. Snoop Dogg's a crip, and the girl was a blood. She told me that her baby daddy was a thug. Now it is what it is, and it was not was. I'm hollering little mama like wood. Monday moan stack, trying to get my cheese back. All these memories breed seeds of a rhythm rhyme pleaser.
My bad, y'all. I am loving this hair so much. I've never liked myself blonde before, and girl, I love this so much. It's so cute. OMG. Bitch, are you kidding me? I'm so excited. I've got like 2 videos to film. I've got one video to film, one photo shoot to do. Obviously, we've been in this bathroom all damn day, and yeah, this is probably like the best lay I've done in a while, minus these damn sides right here. Ugh, so annoying. But hey, can't always be winners every time. I'm just glad I got a nice good lay. But I'm about to go ahead and record this video before my freaking hair wants to not be this cute anymore, because that would be just my luck. But yeah, I am so satisfied. And this wig was only like 40 bucks compared to if I were to get this wig in with the human hair and this coloring. Oh bitch, we would be in the $300 range because of the length too. Sorry, I haven't really been looking at the camera. Tangling, as y'all could see, it does tangle, but it's really easy to brush out. And I'm using like a brush. Like, I probably shouldn't be using this brush, but I'm just in love. I love the color. It doesn't feel too blonde. Like, it still feels safe. It's giving Britney. It's giving let me break the ice. It's giving it's been a while, but I'm glad you came. It's giving F-U-C-K me. It's giving circus. Is giving piece of me. If you guys can't tell, I'm an actual Britney fan. Anyway, so yeah, I was thinking like maybe should I do this, like get a little bump it action, just so you know you can see these baby hairs I laid. Like, bitch. Okay, I gotta go. I gotta film. Blonde Naja signing out.
You vlogged, bitch.
house in which she stayed. And my diary's full of every name on every page. Cause I read somewhere you're falling enough for me. I'll try again one day you'll see. Your hands under my pillow so I sleep. And I'm dreaming of you leaving bruises on my feet. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me? Do you wipe them just for me? I'm faded on my knees. It's your touch that I need. I've ordered cheap and everything like car. I want to take them and see you from afar. If you stand around and saw me, I would like. I pretend I was a glass and drive it right. Bring you a song, do you wanna hear it now? Then bring your friends along to form the cloud. Cause I need to prove I wrote it just for you. What's the need for them? We could be just us two. I'm obsessed with you in a way I can't believe. When you wipe your tears, do you wipe them just for me?